Yo, what's going on guys, Zaina here, and today I'll be showing you how to use KineMaster without a watermark. So let's get started. First you have to go onto your browser and search Modroid. The link is given in the description, you can go check it out from there. After that, go ahead and search for KineMaster. Tap on KineMaster Pro. Once you're there, you have to scroll down and tap on download. Now you'll see 4 links given. You can download whichever you prefer. I prefer that you download the original one. After that, you have to scroll down and tap on download. Please be sure to uninstall the original KineMaster downloaded from the Play Store, otherwise this won't work. Now as you can see, it started to download and I'll see you guys once it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you have to tap on file downloaded and then wait for it to install. Tap on open and there you go guys, you have your KineMaster without a watermark. Let me show you guys choosing a background. I hope this video helped you out. Other than that, it's been Zaina and I'm out. Peace.